In this video, I will show you how to connect prop firm on MetaTrader5. So the first step is to simply open the app on your phone, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply go to your settings. So as you can see, you have this button at the bottom of your screen on the right side. So simply tap on settings, and then here you're gonna have to simply, so as you can see, I'm already logged in into my account. So you're gonna have to simply tap on your account here or simply tap on new account. And then you're gonna have to simply search for your broker. So let's say FTMO, as you can see here, simply tap on that. And as you can see at the top, you have the option to choose a server. So if you tap on that, you're gonna see that you have the main servers and then you have the demo ones. So make sure to choose the right one, because if you select the demo, basically you're gonna trade using fake money. Now, after you choose the server, you're gonna have to simply enter the login credentials, as you can see here, the password, and after that, you're gonna have to simply tap on done, and that's it. Now, as you can see, I don't have an account, so it's invalid, but it should work for you if you have an account on the broker that you chose to connect to. So basically that's all for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.